This review is for the mini multifunction portable LED light. The setting I have it on right now is for if it's dark, for it just to kick on. It turns on very fast. I just took it to my bathroom where it's dark, walked straight over here, started the video. So you can see how bright it is for when it turns on because of darkness. My kitchen is not dark enough for it to kick on by itself, so I just wanted to show it to you what it looks like. It also stays on for a really long time because, like I said, I walked right over here into the kitchen and it's still on, so it stays on for a while. It is much smaller than I anticipated. So here is a AAA battery, and you can compare that for size. Here is a AA battery. You can compare that for size, so you can get an idea of how big that is, or I should say how little. It's much smaller than I anticipated. However, it is very, very bright. So where it lacks in size, if you were looking for something bigger for space, plain bright enough. Here is your holder, and it comes with screws, everything that you would need to hang it. Sorry, my son really wants my cell phone that I'm videoing with. The back is where the batteries are. Does not come with batteries. Most of the things I do review for come with batteries. This one did not. So just know that if you're needing to use this as soon as you get it, you're going to want to make sure that you have some AAA batteries. On the bottom here, you have the switch. So this one is set on the motion for the dark. Off, and then on. So I'm going to go ahead and turn off my kitchen light. It's still daylight, so it's not as dark in here, but you can definitely see that this is a bright light. I bought this to keep in my emergency kit. We have a lot of tornadoes in Indiana. In fact, we just had 8 in one day the other day, the most we've had, I think, in history for that day time frame in Indiana. So this is going in my emergency kit for tornadoes, so I'm not going to be hanging it. I'll be keeping it in my emergency kit. All in all, it works fine. Like I said, it's smaller than I anticipated, but even though it's smaller, it's still working just fine for me. It's still bright enough, which is what I'm concerned about. So if you need it for something bigger, you know, I don't know if that's going to affect you or not, but it's plenty bright. Easy to turn on and off. It's easy to maneuver this, so if you want it for an elderly family member so they have an easy go-to light, super easy to turn on and off. This would actually work really well for that since it's compact. It wouldn't take up much room on their bedside table. So, sorry about the crying baby. I hope that helps you understand this light better. And I really like it right now, even though I anticipated it being better. It still works for me.